when I came back, D was gone. I immediately escaped Metal Robotnik's lair and left D behind because I might get caught too.
Did you see anything before you left D to get her oil?
There was this rejected mecha drone that looks exactly like Mecha Sonic.
No way. Could it be Furnace the Mecha Sonic? Who is Furnace, Doctor? He is the first prototype of you, Mecha. His systems are overrunning on its own. He must be destroyed. Be careful out there, Mecha. He is too camouflaged to be seen. You can see his light in his eyes, right? Yes, I promise. Me, Sky, and my son will save D, no matter what. So, you're awake.
Who are you?
I'm Furnace the Mecha Sonic, and you will be my supper.
No, don't eat me!
Well, too bad. I haven't eaten anything like 1,000 months.